Alright guys, listen. So this is the issue that I had. It's gonna come up now any second now. I was just driving like an innocent guy, just driving and chilling. Next thing you know, I'm getting issues, right? So it was snowy, the snow had just started. As a result, your car's getting extra levels of dirty. Alright, not good situation. So here I am, I'm driving, it's country roads. I was chilling, cruise controlling, but look at that now. My cruise control just not coming on, right? Watch this, yeah, error message is going to come up. Keep an eye out for the error message. Here it comes. There it is. What's it saying? Clean radar sensor. Clean radar sensor. What's one of them? That's it. What's one of them? So I had this previously and all I did just turned off the cruise control, turn it back on again. Anyway, listen to this over here in the next clip and you'll see what's going on. Alright guys, so my Prius was given the error message for cruise control. Alright, so looks to me like it might not give it now. Then again, I'm not driving right now, so it's probably not going to give it. But the thing to do if your cruise control is giving that is open the bonnet, and then go around to the front of the car. You'll see a little latch just, I can see it just there. 1 second. Yeah, that's the latch that you've got to move. Alright. Then you can open up the bonnet. Okay. Now apparently the sensor is just behind this emblem, alright? Just behind the Toyota emblem, that's where the sensor is. Okay, so that's your cruise control radar sensor. Okay. So you should wipe the emblem first, see how that does. Okay. Then if that doesn't fix it, then and basically inside and behind there is the sensor. Now I'm not going to touch the actual sensor itself right now. I'm just going to deal with the emblem first. Okay, I'm going to handle the emblem first and go from there, see what the deal is. I don't really want to mess with the sensor. There's like a warning message like do not scratch the sensor, so it seems quite fragile. You want to be careful, so just do this first. It's been snowy and stuff, and we know what that's like. Causes issues, makes the car dirty quickly, and that's why sensors like this are going to go. Alright, so I'm going to give this a wipe, and I'll see if the issue's gone or not. Really, with snow and stuff, it's going to make it dirty. Even just rain might get rid of it and clean it off and be fine again. Alright. Try and turn off the cruise control back on again, maybe car off back on again, but you want to clean this emblem. That doesn't really work, it's still dirty. You've got to get in behind and clean the sensor. Be careful with it, do not scratch the sensor. Alright, so this is for the radar sensor dirty, needs cleaning for cruise control. Alright, yeah, me again, here we go. So I'm just testing it, just driving around now after I've wiped it. Literally just got a wet wipe. Just a wet wipe, and gave it a good wipe down, and yeah, got all the dirt and grime off it. A lot of it came off. Alright, so look at this now. Look, cruise control, my speed is set. Look at my speed, it's set there. You can see the car in front, jobs are good, and let me give it another test. We're going to do it more than once, see what's going on guys. Cruise control coming on, speed is set, car in front is being visible to the car, it's spotted, everything working correctly. All you've got to do now is like, hit, subscribe, share, all the rest of it. Like, subscribe, share. See you later, take it easy, bye.